Now please don't do this at home, especially rubbing. You should never rub a stain on a wool carpet. I'm doing this because that's what they did. As you can see, it's starting to fluff already. But unfortunately, this is what customers do. Okay, so the stain's nice and dry now. So let's see if we can get it out. Get the lamp ready. Plug her in. Now I'm going to go with a mild mix first. Let's try and take this little piece out here and see what happens. So we've got this at the lowest percentage we normally use. I'll take that corner out there, see what happens. That's the bit we want to take out. We'll put the lamp on, leave it for 10 minutes, and we'll come back in 10 minutes and see what happens. Okay, so that seems to have worked pretty well. We'll crack on now and do the rest of the sample with the same strength. We're not going to go any stronger. Get the light on it for another 15 minutes and see the end result.